Yowza. I would say near disaster averted. This could have been a fire and really bad. Let's rewind a few days.
In the past week, we've had a few times where we used the microwave and kind of got a little burned electrical smell and was thinking that the microwave was going bad. And last night, we cooked something for 90 seconds and it smelled really bad. So I was worried we're gonna need to replace this old microwave, but turns out, upon inspection here, that does not look good. Looks a little dark. Let's pull this off and see what we got here. So I already took off the faceplate screws and then the screw behind it. That does not look good. In fact, that looks really bad. I would say danger averted, yikes. So we'll take this to the big orange box store, get a new one, replace it, and put it back. Because we got some burned wires here, I'm gonna have to snip this back and get rid of that burnt part and cut that wire back a little bit. Snip the wires, got these prepped with the old wire cutter tool. Now we'll buy a new one and replace it. Just got back from the hardware store. He took a look at it, he was a real electrician, and said, you know, this shouldn't happen. And then he started inspecting and said, there's your problem, a loose connection. That will cause it to do that. So there's your pro tip. Make sure the connections are tight. I put a little curve in each of these wires with my needle nose pliers, ready to put them on. All three wires connected and they are nice and snug, so we won't have that problem. Got it all secure, we'll put on the faceplate and we are good to go.
Project complete, microwave works, and we're back in business.